Hi, so I'm just going to try and do an inventory system. So first of all, we're going to make, actually I'll make the two blueprints first. So I'm going to do an actor blueprint, BP underscore. This will be the object that we collect. So I'm going to call it BP object. I'm going to save that. And then next I'm going to go to the UI and I'm going to make a widget blueprint. And this will be WBP underscore collection numbers, something like that. So this is going to be what we collect, and this is going to keep track of what we collect, and this is going to be the objects that we collect. Those are the only two blueprints we need to make. I also need to go to the third person blueprint and use that one as well, because obviously we have to connect it to the Visage. Visage, see inside it. Into the screen, that's what I mean, hopefully. So that's the object, and this is the widget. So first of all, I'm just going to put something in there. You can make a coin or something, you can bring something down, or a square, or money, or dollars, or whatever. I'm just going to add a mesh, and actually I could actually just go in there, but I'll do it this way. And I'm going to just make it a cone like that, so it's there. I'm then going to add a where is it? I'm going to add a box collision. That's the thing. Box collision. I was going to say trigger box. We use that a lot, but no, it's a box collision. Box collision. That's the size of it. You don't really use that to transform it. Use this to kind of make it bigger, so that you definitely go over it. I'm also going to add a rotating movement one to it, so just move. So that's just kind of like rotate it on the spot. Rotation rate. I'm just going to do that, pivot to that, something like that. Hopefully it'll make it move. Then on the box, that's what I'm going to do the on component begin overlap. I'm just going to give it a sound, something for when it goes over it. And I'm just going to take something from the library, like camera shutter, something like that. So that would be the sound when you go over it. I've got the sound turned down so you won't hear that. And then also destroy actor. So that's just basically anything that you want to get out of the world, that you've collected it or something, so it's not just hanging around, getting confused. Like, no, that doesn't go there. Okay. So destroy actor. Does it not go there? Return value. I thought I had to put that into there. No, I don't. Okay. I think I got confused there. That's fine. Compile it, save it. So that should be that. I'm then going to go to the BP. Yeah, I'm going to go to the BP third person to make the variable. So it's going to be an integer. I'm going to call it coins. How many? So this is just going to keep count of the coins. And an integer and float. So integer is okay, just a way of keeping count of the numbers. I think it's is it the one that with the decimals? There, not decimals, decimals. Okay, so put that into the third person. So the only thing to remember is the difference between your blueprint classes, where you put what. And if you want to draw something from that, you'll need to cast it, which I'm guessing everyone kind of knows by now. How many coins? Integer note. Okay, I'm going to go back to my object. Actually, I'm going to call it, yeah, not coins, just how many. Objects, oh no, objects collected. Let's call it that. Do try and keep, although this isn't so important, but objects collected like that. compile, save. And then if I go to back to here, so now I'm going to break this off for a second. So now I've made that integer, I need to get the integer into my coin one. So I'm going to have to cast to BP underscore third person character. So that will allow me to drag out the other actor is the object, I think. So now I can get that. What was it? What did I call it? Objects collected. I'm just going to get that into this blueprint. Objects collected. Get it or set it. So set would set it. Get would bring that number in, which at the moment is 0. So every time we go over, I want to add to it. So I'm going to add 1. I'm on the maps. Not that one. Operators, that's the one. So I want to do that. And then I want to set it as well. Set. Set objects collected. So set will mean that the numbers, will go up every time that we get this thing. Is it this one? No, it's not. Wait a minute. Let me pull that out to there, that out to there, that out to there, that to there. And put that to there like that. And that needs to be connected to the third person blueprint because that's where it's coming out from. I'm just going to do a print string there for now. Print string. That's the test. Actually, I'm not going to test it. I'm sure it's fine. I'm going to go with that for now because I've done this one a few times. So you can set a print string just to check it's all working, but that should be working. Object. Other actor. Yeah. Add one set. Right. So I'm going to go into the widget now. So I'm going to make the widget quick, which I'm going to do by what am I going to do? Widget blueprint. Save. What do I want to do? Oh, you want the canvas, which is not normal. It should just be in the mostly used one because actually you need the canvas for anything. I don't know why they do that. Canvas, and I just want a text box. Text box. I'm saving that, and I just now want the text box. Why is it like that? Text box text. So I'm going to put 0. Oh, enable text, but no, that's not what I wanted. I just want this one. Why is it doing that? What? Sometimes it just does not work for you. Canvas panel, bish bash bosh. Text. Maybe it's not text. Just put text in. Oh, it's this one. Sorry, I had the wrong text. That one is the text. Yeah, not even though it says text blocks, it's not text block. It's just text. I want to like get it and drag it. I'm gonna have it on this side. So I'm gonna anchor it as well onto that side like that. Just so it stays in place. So you can use that to do that. And I'm just gonna give it 0. And I might just take it up a bit on the font like that. And I need to bring these down to here like so. Okay, compile, save, and then I want to, where is that number text? I'm going to bind that, create binding. Before I do that, I'm just going to stick it into the third person, BP third person. So on event begin place, this is just how you stick it in. So no. So on event begin play, create widget. I want the widget blueprint I made, which is connection numbers. And then I want to add to viewpoints. That's just putting it into the screen. I should have tested this before the end. Hopefully it will all work. Oh, you need the target as well, sorry. Compile save. So I need to put the target in there. So now I'm on here. So I want this to come in the third person, so I'm going to cast to, and that's also where the, that integer is that I need the objects one that I made, objects. Get objects collected. I think that's all I need. Compile. No, I don't. Oh, I need this get player character. Sorry. So it needs a reference get player character, which is, yes, it is get player character. They're always a bit fussy, these things. Compile, save. Level blueprint. Where's that actor? So I'm just going to stick that in the screen like that. Control key D. Control key D. Control key D. Press play. That is in the screen. They're turning, but they're not collecting because why are they not collecting? Bam, bam, bam. So it's not going to be in there. It is going to be in here, and it's going to be the what have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Plus plus. Everybody's watching this thinking, I can see what Anton's done wrong. I have not put the number that it's getting the new one of 1. Bit silly. That can often happen though. Let's do this again. I didn't put the number in. Yeah, and now it's collecting them all. There will be the sound as well, but I've got the sound